Okay, YouTubers, what's up? Team Bay, y'all already know it's lit. So we in November, y'all already know. Bayvember, I'll get into that a little bit later. But today, I'm gonna take y'all in a day of the life of me. I got a jam-packed day today for the homies though. So first, Reginae has her movie premiere for her new movie Boxed In. It's an amazing movie. So I have to go do that first and support my sub. Today is also Damar's birthday and later is his birthday party. So right now I'm trying to find something to wear that would be good for both. Hold on, let me show y'all what I was thinking. So I kind of was thinking this, which is like, it's like a, I know my sheets is off my bed, I'm washing my sheets, but it's like a bell bottom, hold on, it's like a, there we go, it's like a bell bottom look. I do think that this is cute and it's comfortable, so I actually will probably wear this. I don't know, we gonna see. So y'all stay tuned, I'm gonna let y'all know if I wear this. I have a few more options that I'm about to try on, and then we're gonna get this day started. My day officially starts at 6 o'clock, so my ass is gonna be, well really I gotta get up out of here by like 4:45, 5 o'clock, or no, 4:50, because where I have to go is just a little bit far. Oh, Abby's supposed to be meeting me here. It's gonna be a good day, y'all, so just stay tuned. Okay, YouTube, so I'm back. I had a wardrobe malfunction. I was trying to figure out what to wear. The jumpsuit, it was a little too big, so that didn't work. My contact was messing up, so I thought I had to wear my glasses. I didn't end up having to wear my glasses, but now Abby is here. Hold on, let me show you Abby.
Hey, you guys.
And so we are about to head out, but we're a little late with our leaving time. So now we're about to go to the premiere. We want to make the red carpet, and Reginae told us to be there early, so hopefully we make it for a red carpet, but we are on the way, so let's go. YouTube, one thing about me, when I'm like late, it gives me anxiety. Like right now I'm so anxious because I'm just trying to make it here on fucking time, and it's so hard, YouTube, to make it on time because I had to change my whole entire outfit. Me and Abby had to rush out the door. It was just crazy, you know. Every time we thought we were about to leave, something happened. Something happened. Look, you're on here too. Something happened.
Every single time.
The first time we thought we was about to go, then we had to fix Abby's pants. Yeah. Boom. All right, cool. Then we think we about to leave, and then it's me. I'm trying to figure out what my motion is. It's just, this is really just too much, but we on the way. Yes. Reginae, when you watch this, just know we really made a real effort.
So much.
We made a real effort, bitch. It said we're gonna be there at 6:25, so I actually think we're gonna make the red carpet. Yeah, I actually think we're gonna make the red carpet. At first I thought we wasn't, but now I think we are. So for the sake of me not getting pulled over and getting a ticket, I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all down, YouTube, and I will record when I get more. Well, I'll record when I get to the premiere. Okay.
Pretty.
Thank you. Okay, YouTube, so we're here, me and my best Abby.
Hey, we made it.
And make sure y'all go subscribe to her channel as well. Tell these folks your channel name.
Abby Roseland, period.
Now we're here at the premiere. We're about to walk in and just really see what it's about to give. I think my outfit came out really cute.
Let them see.
Abby's outfit came out cute. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, so you know, I think that the outfit came out pretty cute, but now we're just about to walk in, and hopefully we didn't miss the red carpet. I just seen my TT Toya walk in. I feel like we not too late, so we should be good. But we about to walk in now. Okay, y'all, it's so cute. We're just waiting on our movie star girl. She should be here shortly, but we are waiting on our girl. She about to come in here and shut it down. Make sure y'all watch Boxed In on Peacock, because my sister did a great job. Period. I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm real awkward about a red carpet always. For me with the red carpet, it just be like, I don't be knowing like how to be a part. It just be super hard for me to kind of get into that mode. I know y'all probably like, girl, you need to go get on that red carpet. Like, you are a celebrity, but I really don't be feeling like that. Like me, I'm gonna come to my friend movie premiere. I'm going to the snacks. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get me a drink, a snack, a little bite. And y'all, I just I was gonna take the shades off, but I don't know. I am feeling her. Like, I am just feeling this vibe. I'll be back once Reginae is here. I think my sister might be here first, and then Reginae will come back. Either way, I'll be back. My sister just got here, and her boyfriend, my brother. My sister's here. Oh, we both got on glasses. She just did her chip challenge, y'all. If y'all haven't watched her video yet, make sure you go watch it on her channel, Life by Lourdes.
Don't do it, y'all. Don't do the chip challenge. It's not worth it.
My brother's here.
It's not worth it.
What's up, you two? You guys say what's up to my channel? Yeah, we at the movie premiere, y'all. We really doing it big for our girl, Reginae. Y'all got to know my foot really about to take over this acting shit. No cap. I'm not even gassing her because she my friend. I'm telling y'all the truth. We just waiting on Reginae to get here, and then we're gonna go in and watch the movie. So yes, y'all, our girls in the building. So now we are about to start the movie. We're gonna watch it. First feature film, real actress shit. You know, my best is next to me, of course. And we about to watch this movie. We're gonna get into that, and then y'all still gotta come with me to Damar's birthday party because that's definitely still a thing. So I'll be back when the movie's over to let y'all know how good it is, and then I'm gonna be at Damar's birthday party. So yeah. That was a good movie. Y'all enjoyed it? I rated it a 10. Go watch it. What else? Okay, y'all. So as you can see, we are leaving out, and now I have to head to my best friend. Look, so cool. But I have to head to my best friend Damar's birthday party, which is right now. I am late. I'm gonna head on to Damar's birthday. You guys stay tuned for that. Y'all, so now this is actually the real walkout video. But I'm really walking out. I wanted to like congratulate my girl in person, but I know y'all saw her video on her channel where we did the watch party. Y'all know how I felt about it. So I'm headed to go see my bestie. My car's right here. I'm headed to go see my bestie for his birthday. It's gonna be a really, really cool thing. So yeah. Y'all, everybody's playing with me. I don't know. Oh, look, mirror. How cute are we, right? Okay, y'all. So I'm here for my best friend's birthday, and his ass better be here or else. Cause I texted him. I said, "Your ass not here yet, but you here." Yes, I'm here with my best friend. It's his birthday. Happy birthday, friend. Yes, y'all, I told y'all this is where I was coming to. My hair looking crazy and everything. I came in here with no earrings. Them earrings was heavy as hell. Oh, hi, Micah. And say what's up to my YouTube, y'all. It's Micah.
What's good?
Yes, y'all, we in the building. Okay, we're gonna go over here and put our stuff down and come back. Yes, Abby. Yes, look how cute. We got his balloons for 27, y'all. And then we got the bowling alley. And look, hold on, here's my friends. This is Xavier. Say what's up. And introduce yourself to my channel. Yes, we're gonna put our stuff down and go get us a shot. So yeah. Alright, y'all, Damar done got him a drink. This boy don't even be drinking for real, y'all. He don't be drinking. But he got him a drink, y'all. I'm in here with my glasses on. Who I think I am? Really one of them. Excuse me.
Sure.
Okay, can I get a shot? What tequilas y'all have? I'm gonna take my glasses off. Cause I'm inside.
Oh, this is good.
I know about everybody looking like this bitch. She thinks she's all that. I do. I do. That's why they be mad.
That's probably why.
Alright, y'all. This is a shot for Damar's birthday. Damar, you come on in too.
Come on, Damar, get your drink.
He got a drink, but we got a shot.
Happy birthday,
Cheers!
Damar.
Happy birthday to my bestie.
Here you go, bro.
Alright, friends, Shorty for how you bought. Oh, look at that thing. It's hitting though. Them rings is hitting. Let me see. Hold up. Oh, don't play with him. Okay, y'all, he about the ball. Go ahead, friend. Period.
Get it again.
Yeah. Okay, don't play with that boy.
That's just a warm up.
Oh,
That's a warm up.
okay. Okay, YouTube, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please please hit that bell notification in the top. Y'all already know how we do it. We at the bowling alley. I'm gonna kick some ass. Thank you for watching.